Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I wanna teach you the pattern of a Irish crochet leaf for beginners. So let's see. Make a slip knot, then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook into the first chain and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Turn your work, insert your hook into this side loop and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Turn your work. You will see 2 loops on your side. Insert your hook into these 2 loops and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Turn your work. Insert your hook into these 2 loops and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat the sequence until you reach the desired length. I crochet the strip in the middle of the leaf. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will see 1 loop on the side. Yarn over twice, skip 1 loop, insert your hook into the next loop and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 times. Yarn over, insert your hook into this space and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop, yarn over and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through all loops to make a bubble stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over twice, skip 2 loops, insert your hook into the next loop and pull up loop, then make a triple crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into this space and pull up loop 1, 2, 3 times to make a bubble stitch. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 3, yarn over twice, skip 2 loops, insert your hook into the next loop and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 times to make a triple crochet, and repeat 1, 2, 3 times. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 3, and repeat. At the end of the row, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a single crochet, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over twice, then crochet symmetrically. Yarn over, pull through 2, 3 times. Yarn over and pull up loop 3 times to crochet a bubble stitch. Yarn over, pull through all loops, chain 3, then repeat. At the end, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then make a single crochet, make a single crochet, make a half double crochet, make a double crochet, make a double crochet, make a half double crochet, make a single crochet, and repeat. Make a single crochet, make a half double crochet, make 2 double crochets, make a half double crochet, then make a single crochet. Crochet until you reach the tip of the leaf. Here is the tip of the leaf. Make a single crochet, make a half double crochet, make 2 double crochets, make 2 triple crochets, one and 2, chain 3, then make a pocket, make 2 triple crochets into the next space, one and 2, make 2 double crochets, make a half double crochet, make a single crochet, make a single crochet into the next space, make a half double crochet, make 2 double crochets, make a half double crochet, make a single crochet, and repeat. At the end, make a slip stitch, chain 1, cut the yarn off. I hope you enjoy this wonderful selection of free patterns and you will be inspired to make your own beautiful crochet leaf, Irish leaf. Thank you for your time. See you soon. Bye.